Alright, so we have an urgent breaking news coming out. Please share this video. Today is December 11th, 2024, and welcome to the Real GS News channel. Alright guys, so we have some New Jersey drones updates. One person is saying, I'm hearing from multiple sources in the military that the reason why the flying objects are not being addressed appropriately to the public is because they are sleeping giant drones and they are being deployed due to a warning of some kind of a huge event. N-U-K-E. We're gonna get to all this news here, guys. We have more breaking news updates. Please share the video. And it seems like there's some birds out there over the Atlantic Ocean. Sleeping Giant Air Force KC-46 is heading out to sea of the coast of New Jersey to search for Persian mothership. All right, you got some birds out there. It seems like finally they are doing something about it, and we're gonna get to all this breaking news here, guys. We have more breaking news. Please share the video. I want to bring this one up. It says here, DC, in a letter today, Representative Chris Smith urged the Sleeping Giant Defense Secretary to immediately provide all capabilities at his disposal to identify and address the widespread drone activity across New Jersey, as serious concerns continue to mount over potential warning to the homeland. We have more breaking news updates. Please share the video. 7:08 p.m. Eastern Time, at least 5 over Cliffside Park, New Jersey, aimed at the Big Apple. So we're going to get to all this here, guys. Once again, we have a lot of breaking news updates. Please share this video. And again, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, once again, we do have the PayPal link in the description box. All right, let's see what's going on here, guys. 7:08 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, so the image below was taken minutes ago and sent to me via text. It shows at least 4, but perhaps 5, over Cliffside Park, New Jersey, all facing Midtown Manhattan. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I see 4. Yeah, I think I see 4. That top one right there, you see the top one, this one right here. I don't think that's a drone. I don't think that's a drone. It's probably a piece of cloud or something. But the rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems like it's 4 of them. This one right here, possibly, perhaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it says here, this is the first time that these type of equipments have been over southeastern Bergen County, New Jersey, facing NYC. Wow. So the scalable map below will show you where Cliffside Park is in relations to Manhattan. So you have a better understanding of exactly how close to NYC these things actually are. Oh. What do you guys think? Leave comments down below. Now, the fact that they have red and green lights indicates to me that these are Sleeping Giant made equipments designed to comply with in-flight lighting rules. No, I don't think they're from aliens, UFO, So I also theorize they are from a Sleeping Giant Gov special access program, which means their creation, op, and function is so highly classified that perhaps a few as 12 people in the entire Sleeping Giant would know that what they are, who built them, and for what purpose. Having them out in the wild like this also leads me to theorize these equipment are out looking for something. And whatever that something is, it's so important. The GOV decided to risk disclosure of these things, no matter the cost. So what could be that important? I did hear a rumor a few days ago, which I did not pass along to anyone because, well, you figured it out now as I tell you. Rumor. These are rumored to be sleeping giant drone equipped with highly sensitive radiation detection gear because they're looking for a dirty BOMB. Allegedly being transported to the rotten apple. There, I said it. But it is just a rumor, and you need to treat it like a rumor and not go off. All right, so once again, there's no evidence to back that up. But if they are out there patrolling, they obviously might be looking for something. Who knows? But again, we don't know what's going on here. Nobody knows nothing. It's just flying objects in the sky. No one knows nothing. Nada. Nada. But big shout out to Canadian Prepper. He posts something, and I want to show you really quick what he shared. Give me a second here if I can find it. Shout out to Canadian Prepper. Canadian Prepper said this. If the sleeping giant can't handle these equipment and balloons, how do you think it'll fare a nuclear event with missiles screaming in a Mach 20? If the sleeping giant can figure out or handle these flying objects, how in the world do you think they're going to handle some very powerful the bear nuke? I'm just saying. He's absolutely right. Canadian Prepper is absolutely right. Guys, check out the videos I posted today. The links will be in the comments box. I did post some very good videos, and also I did post some New Jersey videos. New Jersey legislator holds briefing on drones. We know nothing. We don't know what's going on. We know nothing. All we know is they're not doing nothing. Leave them alone. Man, for a week or more, people throughout NJ have been reporting strange drone-type aircraft flying in many areas of the state. Local county and now state gov has no idea who is operating these equipments, where they're coming from, where they go to, or why they're flying. Yet, they boldly state there is no credible warning. How do they know? They don't. Biggest waste of time in his life. Here are, and I'm going to skip some of these videos here, guys. I cannot show a lot of stuff here. I can't. Some of my stuff has been removed. 4 videos in 24 hours has been removed. Please try to understand that, guys. Please try to understand it. And there's a possibility I might have to stay up to 3 o'clock in the morning. Possibly remove some of these videos. I'm refreshing the page and seeing if there's any more updates. Give me a second here, guys. If you have any information, you could email me. My email is in the description box. You could send me, whatever. If you live out there in New Jersey, send me pictures and videos of these flying objects. And we've been talking about this for a while now. Give me a second here. I'm trying to see if I can find any more information. And there are some videos here. The problem is I'm getting hit really hard by the platform. And a lot of these videos are from like years ago. And again, guys, we did talk about this one here. The mysterious objects in NJ prompts call for state of emergency. And we did talk about that. I did post a video yesterday. They call it the limited emergency, limited state of emergency. Let me share that. If you guys want to check out the link, if you want to check out the news, once again, the link to my Twitter page will be in the description box. So far, give me a second here. I'm sorry, what? Sorry, guys, I'm looking for some information here. A lot of these people just posting some very old stuff from years ago, and that's the reason why I'm getting hit too. Okay, so here's a radar. Someone said a swarm of large, mysterious drones were flying around northern NJ day after day. The FAA would have grounded or at least paused flights in and out of Newark Airport, but they haven't. So check out the flight radar below. Business as usual. Can they? I mean, maybe Turner's right. Maybe they're out there. It belongs to the sleeping giant. Maybe they are looking for something. Maybe they are looking for something. Perhaps maybe a dirty, you know what, BOMB. Hmm. All right. So this is all the information we have. Once again, please share the video. Never seen anything like this ever in my life. And I did post a video last night about the Coast Guard. They're sounding the alarm. All right, so far this is all of it, but yeah, leave comments down below, guys, and check out the video I posted today. I did post one when it comes to New Jersey, and again, make sure you triple check your notification. Also, please pray for the channel. Four videos were down, and I just feel like it's coming to that point. They're gonna be doing that. I mean, they do that type of stuff once a year. So you guys know me. I post video every single day. Even my day off, I post videos. You know me. So if you don't see my videos, well, ladies and gentlemen, it's because they put me in timeout for a whole week. If you don't see my videos in 2 weeks, they put me in timeout for 2 weeks. It's sad. I'm just a watchman, a follower of Christ, just giving you guys the information. And I'm trying to figure out why they love going after my stuff. Anyway, guys, please share the video. Thank you for the prayers, and thank you so much for your support. Again, please share the video. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, Luis Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon. We get to access to our live stream every Monday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about in the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Put your faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for He's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.